The hour, one last look at the livestock trade. Again, back to Chicago, live on the floor at the CME Group. Todd Horwitz joining us. Bubba Trading. It's bubbatrading.com for more information. Todd, the livestock trade, been a strong performance here today, and you kind of like more and more where we are.
Yeah, well, you know, again, now, Mark, I tell you, we've liked him. We've actually traded him very well. I think now, again, I'm not bearish. I'm not turning bearish the space. However, I think we might be reaching some of the upper limits of where I think we're going to go for now. I think, you know, I would look for some sideways trade or some consolidation here. I think feeder's got a little bit more room on the upside to go, but I think live is probably right near where it's going to go for now. And again, I'm only looking for another entry point to come in and buy again. I think that they've done exactly as we've described on air here almost every week, and I think this is where we want to look for a better opportunity now to come in and buy. I wouldn't chase them up here, but I think they have more room to go. But I think right now in the short term, you're probably going to see what we call sideways trade or some consolidation, which is a market resting, getting ready to make its next move. And the way that the charts look, the way the market looks, it looks like they still want to break higher, but they need to take a little bit of a rest right in here. Yeah,
right. Again, and you have said many times you don't like those straight up and straight down, limit up, limit down moves. This more of a sideways trade would not be all bad in your view, correct?
No, 100%. That's correct. What we want to see, if we break the market down into three basic phases, consolidation, breakout, and then blow off. So right now, I think the consolidation range would be great. Find a good level to get in and have them break out to the upside. And again, repeat the process without taking too much away, because when you get panic buying or panic selling, invariably it's going to go the other way.
Very good. And that leaves us looking at the pork complex. Talk about a market that's been on a steady upclimb. Again, not erratic, but a steady move higher, back up to highs now over 65 highs we hadn't seen. I checked that since October 29th, been up to this level.
Well, I think it was a fairly predictable move that we saw. I think we saw action indicating that they're going to go higher. We got over 60, then we got to 65. Now, again, we're getting close to rolling over. So if you look at February, you look at April. They're both similar, and I think that right up here, 66 in Feb or 71 in April is probably a near-term range. I don't think we'll go much farther than that from here. I think you want to look for, again, I want to see some of that sideways action now before it starts to maybe make the next breakout to the next level higher. I still like the space. It was pretty easy, you know, we saw the formation where it was the out months were trading much higher. So I think that continues, but here I think we're going to see some sideways trade here for a while, and then we'll look for a new entry to look to go long again.
Very good. Todd Horwitz, always good to visit with you every Tuesday, Wednesday on a regular basis. So thanks a lot for the time you spent with us today.
My pleasure.
Todd Horwitz, live from Chicago. That's going to wrap things up. So we, again,